Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fantastic jackal mask. We will cover everything from gathering your materials to adding the final touches. This project is fun and rewarding, perfect for costume parties or creative expression. You will need basic craft supplies and a bit of patience. Let's get started on crafting your unique jackal mask today. First, let's build the foundation of your jackal mask. Begin by cutting a sturdy cardboard piece for the main face, roughly 8 inches by 10 inches. Next, create the distinctive snout using a conical cardboard shape, about 4 inches in length. Securely attach this snout to your face base with hot glue, ensuring a strong bond for the structure. Now, it is time to bring your jackal mask to life with key details. Cut 2 triangular ear shapes from craft foam, each approximately 3 inches tall. Carefully glue these ears to the top of your mask, angling them slightly forward for an authentic look. Remember to create eye holes for visibility and add foam details for eyebrows and the nose. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your incredible jackal mask. Paint your creation with acrylics using natural shades like brown, black, and a touch of gold for highlights. Ensure the paint dries completely, which usually takes at least 2 hours. For comfortable wear, attach an elastic band or ribbon, making your mask ready for any adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.